Okay.
Inside? I don't know, maybe this is... Oh, that's fine. Yeah. That just shows you that you're recording.
Red light. Did you have it before the red light?
I don't know. This is my... Well, how come I can't get the zooms to work? Am I doing something wrong with that?
Maybe you're zooming the wrong way. You've already zoomed as far as you can that way.
Okay.
And then this clips up. And that's as wide as you can get.
Oh.
Jason, are those working? Jason? Jason. Are those working, your walkie-talkies?
Yeah.
Where are you, Joy?
Here.
Oh, hi. All right, you can show me what you can do. What have you been doing on this camping trip, Joy?
Nothing.
Well, am I going to see your face or just the back of your head for the whole show? I'm going to stop photographing.
That's all I need.
I thought you said to do a whole lot.
Yeah.
Let me see your face. Did you sleep good last night?
Yeah. But you were talking.
Who was I talking to? We have a little background music.
What?
So we have a little background music.
You can't say another one. I did because you weren't paying attention.
Yes.
That
is sneaky.
Okay, 10. Nice teamwork.
What?
Andrew, point down.
Okay, that's good. It's still in play. I think we found a little overfeel here. All right. What's that? 11?
Oh, yeah, I got it.
And over here we're going to see the food. This is the hour of hors d'oeuvres.
That's out.
Looks out. That was out.
I'm up.
It was, yeah, it was out.
I was out.
You guys looking for another player?
I don't like this.
Put it down.
Don't?
Put it down. Yeah.
Go for it. Go for it.
Here's the back of Tong.
Go for it.
All right. All right. Great server. Oh!
Now it says record.
Yeah.
Right, now it's recording. Now you can see Tong. And if you go ahead, keep recording him. Don't move the camera too much. This is for if you want to get him closer. Have you got him?
Yeah.
And there's farther. Slowly, slowly.
I'm joining the team. Somebody else can get in. Somebody else want to get in.
Oh, I can try.
Where's Rachel?
I can try. Oh, yeah.
It says record.
Keep recording.
Rachel,
You want to play?
smoked oysters. There you go. Serve it in a cracker. With a good work.
Uh-oh.
All right.
Okay.
Here's Tong.
You didn't realize he's going and the wig is just
What's her birthday?
well, you're a short hair wig.
It's only in black and white.
Yeah, until the movie comes out.
And when the movie comes out, it's only peach, right? And all the colors.
Japanese ginsu crackers.
Hey, take me. Take a picture of me, Mom.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Just yours, it's 1995. The same ones they used in medieval.
Now we're looking at the bathrooms. They're in the middle of the park. There's our van. And here's some of the campsites. They're all nice and modern. And we'll go over here. We're walking down a road toward an empty campsite. Okay, we're still walking toward this other campsite. Here's the road leading to the campsite where we were at. There's the bathroom again. Here's the dumpster, which you have to use every night, otherwise the raccoons will get your stuff. Here is the site where we can go canoeing and boating. There's Thoy by the water. This is really pretty with the raccoons. Maybe we'll get to see a raccoon. Yeah?
I want some candy. Can you buy some candy?
Not right now, hon.
Please.
Why do you need a rowboat? Is that for a rowboat?
We have 4 people.
All right, Joy, let me see how you look standing near the water.
I guess we could
Jason?
come back and give rides around here.
Yeah, we could just ride around.
I'm scared of this.
What?
Spit up from the raccoon that we're cutting. Yesterday I saw it.
Joy? You looking for a raccoon? Joy?
Ah! There's one!
Is he sticking his head out yet?
Give me that.
Stole their bait yesterday.
3 of them. 3 raccoons.
What's wrong?
Sorry. Oh, God. Raccoon.
A rowboat.
Hold on to the stuff.
Here comes Tong.
We gotta hold on to the stuff.
We have to hold on to this.
I think the bigger, this is the back, right? That's the front? You? Can't have more than 3 people on.
Joy.
I'm gonna row. Or maybe with children.
Joy.
Joy.
Al, what did we tell you?
Don't talk. You don't even know anything about the mill.
Please don't start cutting each other down.
I'm so stupid.
Don't fight now. Oh, that looks great, kids. That's right, one on one side. That's great.
Why can I row the boat?
We're gonna let you.
You, Diane, and me?
Okay. It's right there.
Where? Eye. Oh, you know what? The eye.
Is his eye all battered up?
No.
That's true, which I don't approve of the boys
You
doing.
know that poison stuff? Here's one. Oh, that's the same one. Hi.
Stop fighting. You're both doing great.
Do, Mom.
Oh, it is.
I want to pedal.
No, you're not allowed to pet them. Great.
There's no horsey.
A lot of them.